modern periodic table. In 1913, Henry Moseley showed that the atomic number, which is symbolized as Z, of an element is a more fundamental property than its atomic mass. Accordingly, Mendeleev's periodic law was modified and atomic number was adopted as the basis of modern periodic table. He stated that properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. The modern periodic table consists of 18 groups and 7 periods. The elements in the group 1 to 2 and 13 to 18 are known as representative elements. They are named as alkali metal, alkaline metal, boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family or nitrogens, oxygen family or chalcogens, halogens, and inert gases or rare gases or noble gases respectively. The elements in the group 3 to 12 are known as transition elements because they show transition from elements of 1 and 2 groups on left to elements of 13 to 18 groups on right.